In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Photovault app password. In this app, there is an inbuilt feature to recover your password. Let's dive into the video. This is the app, and let's open it. To recover your password, all you need to do type 11223344. Then it will show your security question. After you give the answer, it will show your password. Then type it here. After you can log in to your account. Thanks for watching.